Good morning, people. Anyway, it looks like I'm gonna work early today. Woke up early. Sun's a bit out, tiny bit of sun, but not all of it. So, that's the part 2 of the raw vlog. I hope you guys keep watching. So, see ya. Oh yeah. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Today is the part 2. I said yesterday night, I said there will be a part 2. Welcome back to the part 2. And yeah, I'm back to doing deliveries. Woo! I already started. I had a lot of delivery coming from Stuart. X Just Eat, because they're together. Not just a Stewart, because I have both of them. Yeah. Anyway, Just Eat will be leaving Clapham area soon, so I won't be getting any Just Eat orders from my Stewart app. Anyway, that should be fine. I still have oh my days, I have 3 apps left. So I have Uber Eats, I have Deliveroo, and I have Riders. So can try and squeeze a lot of that. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I still make more money from out of it. So yeah, pretty sure I will. I'll try. I have to. If I don't work, I won't have money. That's one thing. It's hard, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You have to survive, especially in this pandemic, you know. Not everyone works, you know. Some people are just staying at home, they're furloughed, they're getting money from the government. Unlike us, like delivery drivers, we still need to work every day, every single day. If we don't work, we won't get anything. Trust me. It's not the same as everyone. And you get those rich people who just stays at home scratching their balls in their sofa. Well, maybe that's a lucky, because maybe some people are just born rich or just born lucky. Some did it for the hard, I mean, like some got it for hard work, but some just got it easy, man. Like easy, like proper easy. That's why I said it's not the same as everyone. If you see how everybody is struggling, then that's how you'll know it. But if you don't see how they struggle, then that's a different story. But then again, as I said, not everyone was born rich. So some of us here are working properly, some of us are working legally, some of the drivers are working illegally. Like for real. Like, oh my days. Yeah, look at these people. Is there a pandemic? I don't think there is. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Social distancing, where is it? It's the same, man. Come on, boy. You got it. You got it. Stand up. There we go. Goodbye. You got that. Strong knees. You gotta need it. Nice and sunny weather, but too windy. I get dust in my eyes most of the time. It's hurting. So anyway, let's see how it goes, guys, today. I hope I do get busy because I still have 2.5 hours left of work, and I gotta see what I can get because I'm working at the Chinese place tonight and it's pretty quiet and I really need to make money. Five guys. First one. I just hope they're very fast in serving. Anyway, just gonna go around, but I'm gonna accept the order. So I'll see you guys when I get to Five Guys. Cheese! And yeah, guys, I'm here at Five Guys now, and they don't seem to bother. I'm outside. They told me to go outside. Now I'm outside, and no one's giving me anything. I went in and he said Deliveroo outside. I'm like, outside? If I wait outside, there's no one coming. If you guys are doing delivery, if you're a delivery driver and you're gonna pick up order here at Five Guys in Clapham Common, especially in this afternoon, this is how rude they are. This is how they are ignoring you. Okay, don't forget that, guys. So I'll see you when I get the order. Chase. We're picking up orders. We're not getting paid per hour, guys. Where the hell are you? What the hell are you thinking? 9097? It's just... Now you want me to accept quick and you guys don't ignore us. And I was getting ignored, man. I was shouting.
Yes, I know, but you can see people at work.
Yeah, but we're not getting paid. We're not getting paid per hour, you know. We're getting paid per trip. I already did. But what I'm saying is, like, you guys need to approach us as well. And yeah, it's your boy. I said I'm gonna film the drop off, but I forgot to press the on button on the camera. But now I'm on my way to work. So there's part 2. It seems like the part 2 is where I've worked whole day. I was outside and I was on the road for the whole day, and I will be more on the road now due to the weather condition. I mean, the weather's really nice, you know. It's not like winter anymore. It's not that cold. It's a spring, and then you got fall, and then you got summer. And you have winter, spring, summer, fall. All you gotta do is call, and I'll be there. Yeah. Songeries? Joke lang. That's a bit of a joke. I'm not a songer. I'm not a singer. I'm a bouncer. By the way, guys, I'll see you when I get to work. Cheers! Yeah, I'm very close to my work now, and it's time check. It's 5:22, and yes, I'm not the first one to be here. That's what I'm lucky at. I know. I didn't want to be here first anyway. I'm just gonna cross here and then park and then go. So anyway, oh my god, what's that? That's a top box in a bike. In a bike. Thank god, forgot that I have a phone there. And yes, sir, the Goodart Express and your baby boys here. Ting. So I'll see you guys when I start. Chase. Good evening, everyone. I'm nearing now to the end, to the end of my shift. Now they're sending me to Putney, which is 3 miles away. That means I have 6 miles on the clock added when I go back to the shop. I'm gonna slow down. Not gonna bother speeding up now. I always get this anyway, so nearly done with the shift, then go home, eat and sleep. Maybe stream a bit, so I don't know. Need to edit this road vlog part 2, and yeah. Hope you guys are good, so I'll see you when I get home. Cheers! Okay, I'm on my way home, people. Just finished working, so I just hope there's no one there again in the dark alley, or I go in, you know, I go and push my bike to go to the garden. Sometimes there are people there, so I don't know. I just hope there's no one there today. So last time there was 2 guys, so need to be careful, you know. It's very dangerous nowadays, especially if you have a motorcycle. I mean, I'm not in danger in the road. I guess I got used on how to drive here in London. I mean, but there, I just need to see, you know. I need to see. I need to be careful. It's very close. Nice and chilly weather. It's not really cold, so off. I'll turn off the camera for a bit, so I'll see you guys when I get near the house. Cheese! So, hello guys, I'm very near to where I live now. It's basically like, oh my days, you know, I'm crossing. Why it didn't stop? Man, be nice, be kind to animals, you know. Now I have to be careful. No one here so far, so good. Alright, it's time to go down, boy. Nah, my bike needs a bit of washing again. For real. Someone's having a barbecue. So yeah guys, I'll just see you when I get inside, so let's go. So guys, just got home. It's time to eat. Now I'm gonna eat again, so yeah, it's time for dinner. Just got home, so see you in a bit. So yeah guys, we just finished eating. This is the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the third one. Cheers!